And just on that point, my Lord, Mr. Ntanzi has just reminded me that it was put to him by the state that on the 16th of June 2020, he was charged for the Nongoma case. And on the 26th of October 2020, he was then charged at Rileria for this particular case, the Frosluras 63610-2020. And there was another charge on the 20th of June at Primrose regarding the Tabani possession of unlawful ammunition case, Malot. So we're going according to what was said here in court, Malot. That's the court process.
Feda-ke ukumkhumbuza manje kumnumzana uNtanzi ukuthi-ke umbuso noma ke umshushisi owasho kuyena-ke ukuthi-ke wayethweswe-ke icala noma-ke ethweswe lona-ke icala leli lakwaNongoma nokuthi-ke kwase futhi-ke ngazo i-26 zika-October 2020 wabe-ke esethweswa lona icala leli-ke phambi kwenkantolo waphinda futhi ngazo-ke i-20 zikaJuni-ke wathweswa-ke icala eThabane. Sihamba-ke manje ngokubufakazi-ke obula phambi kwenkantolo.
I believe, Lieutenant General, I'll leave this issue of the occurrence book for now because I want you to have the original occurrence book for you to have sight to this entry of Mohani that we are talking about. Unfortunately, the state will provide us with that during the tea break. So I'll deal with other aspects. It's fine. I'll have to show it to you first. Thank you, Brother Josh. Now, Lieutenant Colonel, did you at some stage come to know that Mr. Ntanzi is alleged to have been charged with a murder case in respect of that Nongoma case 16310 of 2018?
My Lord, procedurally, in the SAPS, if you charge a person for a certain matter, his particulars or her particulars must reflect on page 5 of the dockets. Page 5 of the dockets.
Ingabe kuyinto eyafinyelela kuwena yini-ke ukuthi-ke umnumzana uNtanzi wathweswa-ke icala lelo-ke leli lakwaNongoma ngaphansi kwakhe 16310 of 2018 ngokwendlela-ke yokusebenza emaphoyiseni. Uma ngabe umuntu-ke ethweswe icala, imininingwane yakhe kufanele ukuthi-ke ibe khona-ke kuyiphepha noma-ke ikhasi-ke lesihlanu page 5 lalo idokodo. Yes.
One of the things that are very, very important that must reflect on page 5 is in the OB.
Ezinye zezinto-ke ezisemqoka kakhulu-ke kufanele zibe khona-ke laphana kuyena page 5 i-OB.
Cell register number.
Futhi-ke inumber-ke noma lokho kubizwa ngokuthi-ke i-cell register number.
As well as the fingerprint number.
Kanye futhi-ke nenumber-ke yeminwe phecelezi-ke i-fingerprint number.
That is the proof that this person has been charged. So in this matter, on page 5, for only one accused or suspect.
Lokho-ke ubufakazi-ke noma-ke kuyakhombisa-ke noma-ke kukhombisa-ke ukuthi-ke ngempela-ke ukuthi-ke umsolo loyo-ke uthweswe icala kodwa lana-ke sinomsolo oyedwa kuphela.
Okay. Thank you so much, Lieutenant General. Now, with respect to this matter, and I'm going to ask it, it may seem silly, but I'm going to ask it. I've got my own reasons why I'm asking this. With respect to this Nongoma case 16310-2018 for possession of unlawful firearm, did you have any outstanding suspects in relation to that charge?
Not at all, my Lord.
Manje-ke kuleli cala 16310 of 2018 leli lakwaNongoma-ke la kwatholakala kukhona umsolwa enesibambane nenhlamvu. Ngabe ukhona yini omunye umsolwa enani samthungatha? Cha, nkosenkantolo wayengekho.
And as of the 16th of June 2020, how far had that matter progressed, the investigation of that matter, if you recall?
163?
Yes.
No, it progressed very well because even the directives that were given to us, we complied with them up until the matter was later transferred to High Court.
Manje-ke ngazo i-16 zikaJune 2020 makuthi usazike ukuthi icala lelo-ke laliselihambe layofinyelela kuphi-ke lalisahamba kahle-ke ngaleso sikhathi leso-ke futhi-ke naloko noma-ke imiyalo esasiyinikwa-ke sasikwenza-ke lokho sasikutshelwa kwaze kwayisikhathi la khona-ke icala lidluliselwa enkantolo ephakeme.
Now, still continuing with Sergeant Mohani's testimony here in court, he says when Ntanzi was arrested at Freedom Park in Rustenburg, he's then transferred to the Pretoria North Police Station on the 16th of June 2020. And at the Pretoria North Police Station, he makes an entry into the SAP-10 or the occurrence book that Mr. Ntanzi is held in transito in respect of the Nongoma case 16310 of 2018. Do you want to comment on that?
Well, I cannot comment because we've got only one suspect in this matter.
Uyaqhubeka-ke ngobufakazi bakhe uSergeant Mohane ukuthi-ke uma esefika-ke noma ethweswa icala lelo lakwaNongoma eseyofakwa-ke kuma-cell noma ke-police station yase-Pretoria North ebhalwa-ke encwadini zakhona yena-ke uBongani Sandiso Ntanzi-ke mayelana nalo-ke icala lelo-ke lakwaNongoma. Ngabe khona yini ofuna ukuthi kusho kulokho? Akukho engakusho ngoba-ke kuleli cala leli umsolo esesinaye noma esinaye uyedwa.
And Lieutenant Colonel, can you just explain to us what your understanding is when an entry is made into the occurrence book that a suspect is held in transito in this respect, or in this instance, in respect for the Nongoma case 16310 of 2018. What does it mean?
So, my lord, it means that this suspect is a suspect of Nongoma. So he is being in transit to Nongoma to be charged and appear in Nongoma. They were keeping him just to sleep over, or just to sleep over there tomorrow. They continue with their journey to Nongoma, where he will be officially charged, my lord.
Ingabe kusho ukuthini-ke uma kubhaliwe ukuthi umsolo wakhe lapho-ke iqalizike ngesingisi-ke suspect in transit, ukuthi lokho kusho ukuthini-ke? Lokho kusho ukuthi-ke umuntu loyo-ke uthwethwe icala-ke lakwaNongoma, bamgcinile-ke lapho ukuthi-ke uzolala lapho, kodwa kuzothi-ke uma sekusake nakusasa bazoqhubeka-ke naye yila azohamba aye khona kwaNongoma, yila azeyo khona-ke enkantolo-ke kwaNongoma.
And you say that the suspect is entered in transito because he's a suspect in Nongoma. But in this instance, and that was your investigation, Nongoma case 16310-2018, was Ntanzi a suspect in your matter?
Not at all, my lord.
Ingabe uNtanzi-ke wayomsola yini kwicala lakho? Cha, ngosenkantolo.
In fact, no, I'll deal with it. Now, Sergeant Mohane testifies further to say that they booked Ntanzi at around 22:45 p.m. on the 16th of June 2020 at Nongoma in transito. Then on the 17th, he is removed from the cells. He is taken to the boardroom, where amongst others of the alleged cases that he is involved in, he is asked in particular about the Nongoma murder case and the Fosloras murder case, which is the current case before this honorable court. And I'm going back to your testimony. Are you still, and is it still your testimony that there is no murder charge, according to your investigation, in the Nongoma case 16310 of 2018?
Yes, it's not a murder, it's a possession.
Mangabe ngitshela-ke ngalokho engiceda ukutshela ngakho-ke ukuthi-ke ngeyi-17 uNtanzi-ke basebemthatha-ke eya eboardroom bembuza-ke ngecala lokubulala lakwaNongoma, base bembuza nangalo-ke leli cala phambi kwenkantolo lokubulala. Ngabe kusewubufakazi bakho yini-ke ukuthi-ke alikho yini icala lokubulala-ke, lalingekho yini icala lokubulala laphayana kwaNongoma? Cha, lalingekho, kuyileli-ke lokutholakala nesibhamu ney'nhlamvu.
My lord, it's nearly 11. May I suggest that we take an early tea break? I need to take a comfort break, my lord. That's the court process.
Okay.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.